Do you want to learn more English? Do you want to practice your English? Come with Miss Olvido. Hello, good morning. It's back to class again. Today is Tuesday and the holidays have finished. And I promised to do part 2 of the farm animals. And Pip, hello everyone. Pip wants to look at the rest of the animals. But first, let's do a little revision of the first animals. Pip, let's see if you remember the animals, okay? Here they are. What's this? Yes, it's a sheep. Very good, Pip. And what does the sheep say? Baa. Very good, baa. What's this? Ah, it's easy. A cat. And what does the cat say? Meow, meow. And what's this? Yes, it's a pig. Very good. And what does the pig say? Oink, oink, oink. Good. What's this? Yes, it's a duck. And what does the duck say? Quack, quack, quack. Good. And this? Yes, this is a cow. And what does the cow say? Moo, moo, moo. Very good. And what's this? Yes, it's a dog. And what does the dog say? Woof, 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 woof. Okay, let's have a look at the other animals that I have here ready for you. Okay, let's have a look. What's this? Yes, it's a chicken. A chicken. A chicken. And what does the chicken say? Clack, 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 clack. Oh, look, what's this? That's easy for you. It's a horse, like you. You are a horse, yes, a horse. And what does the horse say? You know, eh? Yes. Neigh, neigh, neigh. Okay, and this is a rooster or a cockadoo, which is a young rooster. And what does the rooster say? Cock-a-doodle-doo, cock-a-doodle-doo. Very good. And what's this? Yes, it's a goose. A goose. Honk, 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 honk. The goose goes honk, honk. That's funny, eh? A goose. And what's this? It's a goat. A goat. And what does the goat say? It goes bleat, 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 bleat. And this is a donkey. A donkey, yes. Eeyo, 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 eeyo. Oh, a lot of animals. Let's go over them quickly. Chicken, horse, rooster, goose, goat, and donkey. And donkey. Okay, Pip, what's your favourite farm animal? The horse. Yes, because you're a horse and then it's your favourite farm animal. Yes, horses are very important. But another animal which is not a horse. Okay, let's think. A pig. Oh, you like pigs? Yes. Why? Why do you like pigs? Because they like to play with mud. Okay. And I like cows. Because cows give us milk. And I love milk and cheese. With the milk, we can make cheese. And we can make butter with the milk. And the butter is to make the cookies. Did you see the video of the cookies? I hope you made the cookies for Easter. Anyway, it's been a fantastic holiday at home. But I've been working with activities of making albums, postcards. I've been reading a lot, watching TV, and playing games with my husband, Fernando, because we are by ourselves, just me and my husband, Fernando. Okay, I hope you are all very well and welcome back to our videos every day. Love you. And that's all for today. Bye, guys.